Divide 79 by 2. So here we divide 79 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 9. So now it became 19. So 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal, so we can take 0. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 79 divided by 2 we get 39.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.